Struggling with a non-responsive touchpad on your Asus laptop running Windows 11? In this video, we'll guide you through fixes to get it working again. Let's dive in. Click on the Windows key plus R to open Run, then type Regedit and press Enter. Make sure you use external mouse or keyboard to do the steps. Go to the following path. I will leave the path in description. In the right side, go to Enable Cursor Suppression and press Enter. Change the value from 1 to 0, then press Tab key, then click OK. After that, restart your PC and check if the problem is fixed. Now click on Fn plus F1 and check if that re-enables your touchpad. Click on Windows key plus R, then type divmgmt.msc, then click Enter. Go to Mice and other pointing devices, then expand it. Go to the first option and press Enter. Go to Driver tab, then click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, then wait until it gets updated. Click on Windows key plus R to open Run, then type CMD and click on Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open it as administrator. Type SFC/Scano and wait until the process is finished, then restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed. Click on Windows key plus R, then type divmgmt.msc, then click Enter. Go to Mice and other pointing devices, then expand it. Right-click on it, then choose Uninstall Device. Click on Scan for Hardware Changes icon, then restart your computer. Click on Windows key plus I to open Settings. Now go to Recovery. Then click on Reset PC and choose any of the two options. Then choose Local Reinstall and wait until the process is finished.